Hello Universe, Dumelang Botswana. My name is Silvana Marope, a 21-year-old student at Baysar University, pursuing a Bachelor of Arts in Law and Public Administration. I'm proudly from Ramotswa, a place that has shaped my values, dreams, and love for the community. If there's one thing I'd like the judges and people of Botswana to remember about me is that I'm a woman who leads with both heart and determination. I believe that true beauty goes beyond appearance. It is found in our character, compassion, and the way we uplift others. As Miss Universe Botswana 2027, I want to use my voice to encourage young women and girls to believe in themselves, value education, and never allow their backgrounds to limit their dreams. What makes my story unique is my journey of growth. I've learned to turn self-doubt into confidence, and every experience has shaped me into the woman I am today and continue to inspire the woman I strive to become. My journey has taught me the importance of resilience, boto, and believing in my own potential. I stand here as a proud daughter of Botswana, ready to serve, inspire, and represent my country with grace, purpose, and integrity. Ke a leboga. Thank you.